Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden kitchen items. Wooden kitchen items have long been cherished for their timeless appeal, functionality, and eco-friendly nature. From classic cutting boards to elegant utensils, these items not only enhance the aesthetics of a kitchen, but also contributes to sustainable and natural culinary experience. One of the most iconic wooden kitchen items is the cutting board. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse-style board or a sleek modern design, wooden cutting boards are not only practical, but also add a touch of warmth to any kitchen. The natural grain patterns and variations in wood make each board unique, turning them into functional pieces of art. Wooden cutting boards are not only easy on your knives, reducing wear and tear, but they are also less likely to harbor harmful bacteria compared to plastic counterparts. In addition to cutting boards, wooden utensils play a crucial role in the kitchen. Spoons, spatulas, and ladles made from high-quality wood are not only durable, but also gentle on cookware, preventing scratches and damage. The smooth and non-reactive nature of wood utensils makes them ideal for storing, flipping, and serving a variety of dishes. They are also great for use with non-stick cookware, as they won't scratch the delicate surfaces. Wooden bowls have been used for centuries and continue to be a staple in kitchens around the world. When crafted from traditional hardwoods like maple, oak, or more exotic options like acacia or teak, wooden bowls bring a touch of nature to your dining table. Their natural insulating properties also help maintain the temperature of salads, fruits, and other dishes. Wooden bowls are not only functional, but can also serve as elegant centerpieces, adding a rustic or refined aesthetic to your dining experience. Another popular wooden kitchen item is the rolling pin. Wooden rolling pins are favored by bakers for their smooth and even rolling action. Helping them create the perfect dough for pies, cookies, and pastries. The sturdy construction and comfortable handles make wooden rolling pins a timeless tool in the kitchen. Some rolling pins even come with intricate patterns carved into the wood, adding a decorative element to the baking process. Wooden kitchen items aren't just limited to practical tools. They also extend to decorative and storage items. Wooden spice racks, knife blocks, and bread boxes not only keep your kitchen organized, but also add a touch of natural beauty to your countertop. The warmth of wood complements a variety of kitchen styles, from traditional to modern, making these items versatile additions to any culinary space. The sustainability factor is a significant appeal of wooden kitchen items. Unlike plastic, which takes centuries to decompose, wood is a renewable resource. Many manufacturers prioritize responsible forestry practices, ensuring that the wood used in their products comes from well-managed forests. Choosing wooden kitchen items is a step towards a more environmentally friendly kitchen, as these products can be biodegradable and have a lower carbon footprint compared to their synthetic counterparts. Wooden kitchen items are more than just tools. They are an embodiment of tradition, craftsmanship, and sustainability. From the humble cutting board to the elegant rolling pin, these items bring a natural charm to the heart of the home. By incorporating wooden kitchen items into your culinary space, you not only enhance the functionality of your kitchen, but also contribute to a more sustainable and aesthetically pleasing cooking environment. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.